Hey there, I'm Ken. This is CRT. Welcome. Welcome to this episode about a box. Actually, it's about what's inside the box. I'm very excited to show you what is in here, so I'm just going to jump right into it. Let's get unpacking this and show you what's in there so that we can play with the stuff that's in there. Alright, so I've moved the box down here so that I can lay the stuff out right here, so let's get started. And right on the top is Facemaker. You may recognize this. It is a TRS-80 educational game, I guess. Cartridge. Original price, $22.95 from Radio Shack. 99 cents at Goodwill. Okay, and in this box we have another one of these. Gee, I've only got about 1,000 of them. And, oh, another cassette cable. And some more wire. Oh, look at that, another one. And another cassette cable. Haha. Some instruction books for Dino Wars, Space Assault, Personal Finance, and Chess, and Canyon Climber, as well as Star Blaze, Color Baseball, Space Assault, Personal Finance 2, Dino Wars, one of the first games I ever owned for the color computer, another Color Baseball, Color File, Downland, Dungeons of Daggorath, and Megabug. But wait, there's more. Aha! In this box we have a TP10 printer. Oh, it's even got some very old paper in it. So we'll just stick that out there. Oh, and here we have a boxed copy of Poltergeist. Yep, it's in there. And here we have Color Script 2 in the packaging. Also, 99 cents at Goodwill. And we have some beat up old manuals. Going ahead with Color Basic, with part of it falling out, it looks like. And TRS-80 pamphlet. Oh, and the operation manual. And finally, the piece de la resistance, covered in a lot of bubble wrap, which is good. A Coco 1 computer. That means I now have my, I'll try to insert pictures of them here, my MC10, my Coco 1, my Coco 2, and my Coco 3. Now, I was going to open this up and take a look inside and see how everything looks, but the warranty sticker here has not been broken, so I don't think anybody's ever opened up this computer. As a matter of fact, looking at this, the keyboard is in really good shape. It doesn't have any of the telltale signs of the silver being rubbed off around the keyboard. I'm not sure how much this computer was ever actually even used. And for all the serial number junkies out there, it's 0007243. So, I don't know. I'm not going to open it up right now. I'm going to plug it in and see what happens. If anything goes wrong, then I'll have to open it up. But otherwise, I'd love to hear what people think down in the comments about should I break this warranty sticker and open this computer up if it's never been opened before. And here is a look at the front. Other than just being a bit dusty, yeah, it is in very good looking shape. Okay, the computer is hooked up to the TV. It is plugged in. It is ready to be turned on. Oh, and look at that, a beautiful, beautiful screen. Extended Color Basic 1.0. Perfect. Well, let's throw a game into the cartridge slot and see what happens. And what better game to try out than my new copy of Dungeons of Daggorath. And it appears to be working. Took a couple of times of plugging it in. Not sure whether that's the cartridge port or the cartridge. But, yeah. That is an incredibly clear picture for being hooked up to the CRT. Anyways, now we will try Megabug. I believe I need a joystick for this one, which I just happen to have one here. Interesting, I'm not getting any color. Well, it's working fine, except for the fact that it is in black and white. Well, that is something I'm going to have to look into. Well, there we go. My Coco 1 is working, and it is fully working because I tried out a couple other games in it, and as you can see behind me, Space Assault works fine. I tried Color Baseball. It works fine. It just happened to be that cartridge, the first one that I tried that would have had color on it, just happened to, for some reason, be in black and white. I guess that's, I don't know what's the fault there, but it's working now. So I'd love to hear what you have to say about whether I should break the warranty seal on this thing and, you know, open it up. Is it worth it? Or should I keep it whole as it is and unopened? Because you never know, I might have to claim that warranty someday. But anyways, yeah, I am super stoked and excited that I now have a complete family of Coco computers. I hope you enjoyed watching me open this up. If you did, you know what you can do. Like, subscribe, the commenting below. Anything and everything is always greatly appreciated. But, yeah, I have some games to play on this Coco 1, so I am going to go now and do that, and I will see you next time.